All right, time's now 4:44. Let's get over to Alexandra with a look at what we can expect on this Tuesday morning. Hey, Alexandra.
Hey, Leslie. Yeah, a lot of people may be getting back into the work or camp or school routine, and we are looking at our rain chances today, very similar to what they have been lately. We're still in the pattern where we're having the scattered downpours in the area, but nothing happening so far. And in fact, when we look at what to expect today, we have the scattered storms, but probably not until a lot later in the day like we've been seeing. A couple could be heavy. As we move toward the weekend, though, even by Thursday and Friday, it does look like we'll have a little less rain around, and we'll be turning a little bit hotter because of that. And then in the tropics, thankfully not as active as last week. No threats for our area. I think we can all do okay with that and be pretty happy with that at this point in July. Our temperatures right now in the upper 70s and lower 80s, feeling like closer to about 90 already for a few spots. And I've been pointing out our land areas dry, but there are some coastal showers just off of our southern Mississippi and South Louisiana coastlines. Today we'll look for those downpours to start creeping into other spots, including north of the lake and south of the lake. Highs today about 90 degrees, 70% chance for scattered showers and storms. And here's our forecast as we go forward to 11 o'clock. This is around lunchtime. We have some scattered rain beginning. Even by noon and 1 p.m. already a few downpours in the area. This is 4 or so. You can see still some rain left over, and then by 7 and on toward 9 o'clock, most of the rain will be calming down. Now our flooding rain outlook, and this is mostly just for some isolated street flooding. Notice that we are at a little higher risk, marginal to slight risk today. That's because our atmosphere is just loaded with moisture. And then ahead tomorrow, same thing. We'll have a low end risk. Not for everybody to get big downpours, but that will be something that we're watching for. Look at these oranges. All of that is indicating a lot of moisture in the atmosphere, just staying put over the southeast and hugging the Gulf Coast. We kind of wish we had this nice dry kind of air probably at this point in the summer where we've already been humid for so long. But it does look like we'll continue with the chance for rain pretty much every day. But we do have a high pressure area strengthening and shifting a little bit out to the west this week. But even with that, we're still looking for rain chances. So today and tomorrow, pretty high chances to see some sort of shower or storm. And then by Thursday on through the weekend, the early part of the weekend, we have about 30% rain chances. Now, out in the tropics, we don't have any spots over in the Atlantic to watch out for, but Bonnie did cross over Central America, so that's the only reason we're talking about Bonnie. It's now a Category 2 hurricane in the Pacific going out to sea over the ocean. But here in the Atlantic Ocean, the Caribbean Sea, the Gulf of Mexico, everything pretty quiet. Looking at the Atlantic season names, we've made it now through the 3 names. Next on the list would be Danielle, and then Earl and Fiona, but we're just not seeing that for this week at least. Our temperatures this week go up a little bit by Thursday and Friday, corresponding to the slightly lower rain chances by that point. So just the spotty downpours late this week and early in the weekend. April?